The modern workforce is characterized by diverse skill sets, flexibility in employment structures, and the pursuit of financial independence. Part-time businesses have become increasingly popular among working professionals, allowing them to earn additional income while maintaining their primary job responsibilities. In this video, we are sharing 3 part-time business ideas for working professionals. Number 1. Digital marketing consultancy for small businesses. Starting a digital marketing consultancy requires minimal overhead. Professionals can leverage their existing skills in areas such as social media management, SEO, and content marketing to offer valuable services. Initial steps include identifying target clients, developing service packages, and establishing an online presence through a website or social media platform. Number 2. Subscription box service. Launching a subscription box service involves sourcing products, curating monthly selections, and managing logistics. Entrepreneurs can start small by offering a limited number of boxes and gradually scale based on demand. Utilizing e-commerce platforms and fulfillment services can streamline operations and reduce the burden of inventory management. Subscription models offer recurring revenue, creating a reliable income stream. By establishing an online presence and marketing through social media or influencers, businesses can attract subscribers. Number 3. Online course creation. The global e-learning market is projected to surpass $375 billion by 2026, driven by the increasing demand for skill development and professional growth. Creating an online course involves outlining content, recording videos, and developing supplementary materials. Various platforms such as Udemy or Teachable facilitate course hosting and marketing, making it easier for individuals to reach a broader audience. Once the course is developed and marketed, it can generate passive income as learners enroll over time. By promoting courses through social media, email marketing, or partnerships, professionals can expand their reach. Furthermore, offering supplementary services such as coaching or consulting can enhance profitability.